Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a pentagon shaped motif titled Constellation Major Pent. So in the Constellation series you have the square, you have the hexagon and other shapes too, and this is the Constellation Major Pent. So there is a minor version for this too. To suit our projects we can use any pattern that we like among this series. So this particular motif I made with my hobby store Aran anti-pill premium acrylic yarn, which is 100% acrylic, and a 5mm H clover crochet hook. So let's go into the video without much delay. Either chain 6 and form a ring or make an adjustable ring, and we need to place 24 trebles into this ring. So the first treble may be done as a 4 chain. Okay, chain 4 is considered as the first treble. So place 24 trebles into this ring. Excluding chain 4, we have to make 24 trebles. At the end of the round, slip stitch and join to the 4th chain of the chain 4. Now chain 2, and in the same stitch make a 2DC bobble. 2DC plus this chain 2 accounts to 3DC bobble. So 3 incomplete double crochets join together. Now chain 1, skip 1, a bobble, 3DC bobble in the next, chain 1, skip 1, 3DC bobble in the next, now chain 5, don't skip any stitch now, a bobble in the next stitch, chain 1, skip 1, and a bobble in the next, chain 1, skip 1, a bobble in the next. So totally we'll be having 15 sets of 15 bobbles in sets of 3 and 5 chain 5 spaces. So first one is done. So continue this. So when you go over to the next bobble after chain 5, you are not skipping any stitch. So continue till the end. So we come to the end of the round here. Now chain 5. Skip this bobble and slip stitch into that chain 1 space. Now make a beginning bobble here. So chain 2, and 2DC together. This is a beginning bobble. Chain 1, make a bobble in the next chain 1 space. Chain 4, treble, chain 4 treble in the chain 5 space. So treble we have to do. Chain 4 treble. This we are working in chain 5 space. Now chain 4, a bobble in chain 1 space. This is a repeat. So in chain 1 space between the bobbles we are making a bobble, and in the chain 5 space treble chain 4 treble, and going over to the chain 5 chain 4 and going over to the next bobble, the first bobble of the next set, chain 4 and go. I've come to the end of this round here. Now slip stitch directly into the chain 1 space and make a beginning bobble here. So beginning bobble is chain 2, 2 DC together. So having made this, chain 4, single crochet in chain 4 space. Now this is the corner, chain 4, single crochet, chain 4, single crochet in this corner. Sorry. Chain 4, single crochet in this chain space. Chain 4, make a 3 DC bobble in this chain 1 space. So continue the stitch pattern on all the other sides. I place my last SC here. Now instead of chain 4, chain 1 and make a double crochet on top of the first bobble, chain 1 and make a single crochet here in the same space, chain 4, single crochet in next chain 4 space, chain 4, single crochet in next chain 4 space. Now we are not going to make any extra chains here. Place 4 double crochets, chain 4, 4 double crochets. This is the corner. Now when you make a single crochet in the next chain space from the corner, there is no extra chains. Chain 4 single crochet, chain 4 single crochet, chain 4 single crochet, and then the corner. So continue in this manner. So chain 4 single crochet, chain 4 single crochet, chain 4 single crochet, and there is no extra chain, just directly make 4 doubles, chain 4, 4 doubles in the corner. So this is the stitch repeat for each of the sides. You come to the end of the round here. Now having chain 4, slip stitch to the first single crochet, join and fasten off. So we completed the Constellation Major Pent, a pentagram shaped square. Thank you friends for watching this video. If you happen to be the first time viewer for our channel, please do subscribe to our channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you are notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Do like and share them too. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Bye for now. Have a great day.